Hey guys, so we're back at it and I'm about to build my first IKEA piece, which is the shelf. Hopefully I can get both done today, but we'll see. It's already 7:30. I could probably do both. But I wanted to do the dresser that's gonna go in the closet, but I couldn't because I realized I can't find a hammer and I probably don't have a hammer with me. If I do, it's somewhere that I don't know. So I'm gonna try to build the shelf first. Even though that wasn't my ideal scenario, that's what we're gonna do. And I'm picking up the bed frame tomorrow, so this room's about to be full. Okay, 1 hour later, I have a shelf. I literally thought this was gonna take 20 minutes. My hand is super shaky because of all the screw driving, but it took an hour. I think I'll do the other one though, just so it's done, but I have to move these boxes because it'll have to go where the lamp is, but I like it so far. I'll have to decorate it soon, but since I'm going to be building so much stuff in here, I don't want to put stuff on the shelves, especially because there's glass. The only confusing thing is that I literally have so many extra screws. I'm like, is that normal? I don't remember ever having extra parts with an IKEA thing. I'm part of the way through building the second shelf and I found out where all the missing screws go. So I was screwing in the bottom of this and I was like, oh, I don't think I screwed in the bottom two for this one. So I looked at it and I didn't screw in half of each shelf. So there's like 4 screws, 1 on each corner. And I didn't screw on 2 of them for each shelf. So took all the glass out and fixed that. My back hurts like a bitch. I'm hoping I'll be done with this one soon. But the most annoying part is what's about to be next, which is these like top wooden parts, because screwing them in manually is really hard. But I'm gonna get through it. It's been like 2 hours maybe. Took a little hiatus, but I'll be done soon. Okay, look what we got here. 2 frickin' shelves. Thank God. It took a long time to get here. What time is it? Ugh. 10:44, so it took me 3 hours to build 2 shelves. I really just want to get a TaskRabbit to build my dresser now because, oh God, I'm nervous. So I think I showed this letter board in my first video of moving and I finally put words on it. I just searched on the internet letterboard quotes because I had no clue. I think I'm gonna put this on one of the shelves with like some art and stuff because I have a lot of framed artwork stuff that I need to use. It looks really nice. The only thing is I think it's gonna fall because this thing is so slick, so I don't think I'm gonna put it up there quite yet. If you know anything that could hold stuff like that in place, let me know. Maybe some of that like poster putty stuff will work. I think that's what I'm gonna try. And now I think I'm gonna make a list of stuff that I need to buy before I go to bed. And I have all of these letters still, so I think I'm gonna go to the Container Store again sometime and get like a cute box to put the letters in, but for now maybe I'll put them in a pouch or a bag or something. So we just picked up the bed frame. It's right here and right here. So I'm gonna build that now. I was gonna vlog like picking it up and stuff, but I just didn't really care to. I'm just so tired and I feel gross because I haven't showered because I was waiting until I like build most of my stuff. So I'm gonna build this. Hopefully it won't take super long. And then I have to go to the Grove today, but I think I might go at night and I have to go to Bed Bath & Beyond, but I don't know if I'll go today or tomorrow, but I probably want to go today because I need a new duvet cover because I'm sick of having white because I just keep staining it once a month. Anyways, time to build this gold bed frame. I can't wait until you can see it. It's gonna be amazing. This bed frame was actually pretty easy to build. I think it was easier to build than the shelves, honestly, just because it was just like really basic screwing. But yeah, I liked building it, honestly. It didn't take long. I didn't measure or count how long it took, but it was easy to build for one person, even though the instructions say that 2 people should build it. I did it just fine by myself. It's been a few hours and I don't even think I showed the completed bed, so I'll show you that to you now. I guess I was just so excited when I finished and just went to the Grove and Bed Bath & Beyond and forgot to show it. So here we are so far. It's fucking beautiful. Don't you agree? It's gonna be a lot better when I get a new duvet cover set. I went to Bed Bath & Beyond to try to get a duvet cover set, and the ones that I liked online I realized are only available online. So I think tonight I'm gonna do some online shopping. I need a few things at Target, and then the duvet cover from Bed Bath & Beyond. So I think I'll do that tonight just to get it over with. And I think that plus my wallpaper are gonna be my last home purchases, at least for like this moving section of the vlogs. I will probably wind up buying more stuff, of course, but I think those are like the key pieces that I need to be done. So I'll give you a little haul of what I got today. I went to the Container Store, Bed Bath & Beyond, and then I did some grocery shopping at Trader Joe's, which was like my first real grocery shopping. So I'll start with the Container Store. Oh, I also went to Sephora, and got these Shiseido facial cottons, and these are the best if you use like toner or anything. At the Container Store, I got this orange lacquered box that I'm going to use for those letters for my letterboard, and I can just put them on the shelf and it'll look really nice. I don't know if I mentioned what I want the room to be, but it's going to be like monochromatic, white and black and maybe gray, with pops of gold and orange, because those are like all my favorite colors. So I think it'll look really nice and not tacky. And then I also got some museum putty because I thought it would be nice for the bottom of that letterboard if I decide to put it at the top of the shelf, which I probably will, just to make it stay in place. And then I have a lot of like glass things that I'm gonna put on those shelves, and I think I'll probably tack those down with this too, just because if we have an earthquake or something, it'll just minimize as much damage as possible, or just like knocking into shit, and like I don't want all of the things that I bought to break. Then the last thing I got was Poo Pourri for the bathroom. I'm obsessed with this. If you have guests, it's the best, or if you just go to the bathroom and you don't want it to smell, this is so good. You spray it before you go to the bathroom, and this is the citrus scent. It's lemon, bergamot, and lemongrass. I regret getting this at Container Store because they had a different scent at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I like the scent better, but once I run out of this, I'll just get that. So this is the original citrus, but the one that I liked at Bed Bath & Beyond was tropical hibiscus. And then at Bed Bath & Beyond, thankfully they let me use two 20% off coupons to get 20% off of my more expensive items. But I got an apple divider. I eat a lot of apples at work, and we have one of these, and I feel like it really makes me actually want to eat apples. I think it just takes all of the, I guess, annoying parts of eating an apple out. These are what I use my coupons on. They are the Wamsutta, what the heck is that? Cotton shears curtains. So I got 2 panels. They're 84 inches long. My desk kind of covers the wall that's under the window, but I still wanted long ones because I just feel like they look classier. And they had more like gauzy material ones, but these cotton ones just felt a lot nicer. I don't know if I'll want to wind up with these forever. And I mean, I'm not even keeping that curtain rod, so I'm just kind of using these in the time being, because I think I need to get a double curtain rod because we only have one so far. But I think these will be good. And then lastly, I'll show you my food haul, which is probably less exciting than it seems, but I feel like people like doing food hauls and people like watching them, so I'll show you. It's nothing amazing though. I don't go to Trader Joe's for like all of my grocery shopping, but they have a lot of things that I like. So I got these white truffle potato chips because I love truffle flavored things, and I wanted to try these out. It's not something I buy regularly, but I thought it would be good to try. And then I got these steamed chicken soup dumplings, which I'll probably eat today. They sounded really good. I got some linguine. I got coconut water. I don't like drinking coconut water, but I use it in smoothies. So all of the frozen fruits I got for the smoothies are the fancy berry medley, the mango chunks, which I like eating by itself with tahini. It's really good. They're nice as a snack, like a dessert when you're trying to lose weight. And then the organic, oh, they're not organic, strawberries. And then if you like sandwiches, the Trader Joe's rosemary ham is freaking amazing. If you put it on like a baguette with like balsamic glaze, it's just really good. But you can make this just like however. I need to get like bread and stuff at the regular grocery store. But I got this because I thought it'd be a good lunch for work. And then to go with my pasta, I got garlic and these sun-dried tomatoes. These are the best sun-dried tomatoes because I like how they're not in the oil. They're just really good. And my mom makes like this pasta that has sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, basil, brie cheese with the linguine, but they didn't have basil, so I was like, I can't have that tonight. And then I'm lactose intolerant, so I was like, maybe I'll just make it without the brie and just have like olive oil, extra garlic, and just chop all of that up. So I'll have to get basil at the regular grocery store and do that, but I think it'll be really good anyway. Then I got these sweet apple chicken sausages, just as like a good protein. And then these roasted potatoes with peppers and onions. Haley, who's my roommate, she got these and she made this actually with sausage and kale when I came over for dinner one night. And it was really good, so I thought this would be good like as an easy dinner option, probably with the kale and the sausage. I would probably just remake the same thing she did, or even that would be good with breakfast. And then I got my favorite everything bagel seasoning. I just love this. I feel like it's a little salty, so I feel like they should take out the salt, but it's still good. And then I got this citrus body wash. I've never tried the body wash at Trader Joe's, but I needed one because I'm in the shower tonight, so I decided to get this. So hopefully you guys like this video. I know it was kind of all over the place, but stay tuned for more fun stuff. I'll probably be vlogging less frequently since I'm like fully moved in, but once I get like the bar cart and the coffee table and the wallpaper and I start decorating stuff, then I'll be vlogging a little bit more and you'll see more. But I think that's it for this one, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!